All right, Lindsay, thank you. New tonight, Arizona child welfare officials are rushing to review court removals of parents' rights in dozens of cases statewide.
A computer flaw may have prevented lawyers and judges from seeing crucial documents. Team 12's Bram Resnick explains what happened and what families need to know now. Bram?
Yeah, Mark, today the Arizona Attorney General's office asked courts statewide for a 2-week pause on proceedings that could sever parental rights. That'll give the Department of Child Safety time to review more than 130 adoptions and other court cases. The stakes for parents couldn't be higher, fighting the state over custody of a child.
There could have been one, important piece of evidence that we were missing that could have swayed the judge.
We're now learning that many pieces of evidence may have never made it to families' lawyers in child removal cases.
Since 2021, documents were going into this portal and not necessarily getting reviewed.
Department of Child Safety Director David Lujan says the problem stems from a 2-year-old computer system. Built-in safeguards required a supervisor to review documents before caseworkers sent them to lawyers. In many cases, that review never happened.
And so that created this backlog of close to 95,000 documents.
In this letter to Arizona's 15 county courts, the Attorney General's office asks them, in the interest of justice, to suspend trials and severance proceedings set for the next 2 weeks. According to the AG's office, a minimum of 3,800 juvenile dependency cases might be affected. 139 finalized adoptions may have lacked all available documents.
The damage could be minimal, depending on the nature of the case and the facts of the case, or it could be significant.
Deandra Arena is a former assistant AG who represented the Department of Child Safety. She now represents parents whose child could be taken from them.
So for families who may not have been reunified, would this give them false hope that it could be reversed?
I would say, yeah, I think it could give them false hope because, again, I think it would be highly unlikely that this is going to change the outcome in cases.
A spokesman for Attorney General Chris Mays tells me all 15 county courts in Arizona have to approve the request for a 2-week pause on severance proceedings. That could take a few weeks. So far, he says, the courts have been cooperative. Let's send it back to you.